Was good, people. Today we're here at Lenasia again. So we're here at Momo's car sales. So we're gonna be showing you guys cars which are less than 100,000. So you can see those are their cars, all of them, even inside. So yeah, guys. So our first car for the day is this Kia Picanto, white in color. This car is a manual transmission, so it is going for less than 100,000 rand, as you can see. So this car, everything it seems like it's still okay. The bumper, it is attached. Tires are still okay. This car it is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. As you can see here at the side. So I don't know about the interior of this car, but I hope you can see. Let me see. Yeah, it is open. Here is the interior of the car. The interior it is good. As you can see, even at the back, the interior it is good. If you want this car, come to Momo's car sales. It's going for less than 100,000. The car it is still in a good condition. I don't know anything about the service history, but the car it is okay. It is okay. Our second car for the day is this Audi A3. Oh man, this car it is good. It is good. As you can see, it is very good. Still having its original color. Um, as you can see, as you can see, the bumper is still attached. Original tires and rims. It's a two-door car. Let's go inside. Leather interior, manual transmission. The interior is still good. Still good. As you can see, let's check for service book. Maybe it has. Yeah, it has a service book. As you can see, here's the book of the car. If you need this car, you can come and talk to the bros. Yeah, man. The car it is still okay. As you can see, still okay. As you can see, even the back, it is okay. Okay. So our third car is this Kia Rio. Oh man, it's an old car, but the condition of it is still good. So this car is going for 100,000 rand. As you can see there, it's going for 100,000. So this car, the bumper is still okay. It can show that angenanga usolmoni as a fixer. The tires are still okay. Still having the plastic one. I don't know what is this, but I mean this one. The plastic, this thing is still there. Um, yeah, man, it is still good. Let's check the back. Check the back. Even here at the back, It is still good, even the tires. Everything on this good. I love it. I love everything about this car. I love everything. So let me show you the interior. Oh, it is locked. This one it is locked. But yeah, man, if you need to know anything about this car, come to Momo's car sales here at Lenasia. Yeah, man, you will know anything about this car. So our next car is this Reynolds. I don't know which Reynolds. I was reading the name behind it, but yo, so Wabana. But is this Reynolds, which is going for 80,000 rand. So guys, as our mission is to get cars that are less than 100,000. So I'm having this Reynolds, which is still in a good mint condition. So this car, there's few things that you can fix. You can respray the color, but it is okay. The tires are still in position. The front is okay. Even the rear tires are okay. So this car, it is also told is a family car, as you can see, family car. Um, yeah, man, it is okay. It is good. No scratches. Yeah, here's the name. Here's the name. Here's the name. Yo, I was reading this name. Yo, it is showing me flames. But yeah, man, this car, it is good. It is good. Let me show you the interior of the car if it is not locked. It is not. So this car is a manual transmission. As you can see, here's the gear. So I don't know anything about the mileage, but you can check a service history book. So the interior is still good. It's a leather interior. Even the dashboard has no problems. Even the pedals here, they are still good. So yeah, man. Even the back seats, as you can see, they are still good. And it also has a sunroof. There's a sunroof here, as you can see. There's a sunroof. It is to be a cool car. So let's check the service history book if it has. So I don't know which play is this one, but Bluetooth MP3 music play. So this one, it has a service history book, which is here. Here's the service history book from Reynolds. Yeah, man. Hey, sizomosha imoto zabantu. Yeah, man, this car, it is in mint condition. Even the interior is good. Even the interior. What do you think about this car? Tell me in the comment what do you think about this Renault Decra. Yeah, man, tell me what do you think about this Renault. So our next car is this Polo Vivo, silver in color, which is going for 80,000 rand. This car, it seems good to me. The bumper is still attached. The tire are okay. It seems like it has been like sprayed before. Seems like it has been sprayed. As you can see, uh, this car is still in mint condition. So guys, please, there's something that I don't understand about the Nasha cars. As you can see, there's 950 there. 950 there, 950 there, 950 there. There's something about 950 here in Lanesha, but let's focus on this car. So this car has no problem. It's a start and go car. Even at the back, everything is still okay. You can see through the windows, they are not tilt. The car is good. The seats are covered. Are covered, as you can see. It's a manual transmission, as you can see there. Uh, as you can see the interior. This car is very hot, man. It's very hot. Let's check the service history book. Maybe it has. No, there is no service history book, but hey, it is hot in here. Let me pull. The seats are up. What's up? Oh, this car, it is. Wow. It is now. Guys, please tell me about those dealership, man. What is the meaning of 950? Because everything about those cars, there's 950. Even that side, there's 950. Even if I can zoom, there's 950, 950, 950, 950. You know? Yeah, man. So our next car, it is this Ford